ऑनलाइन यूनिवर्सिटी चलाते हैं डॉक्टर बिलाल फिलिप्स, बाहर के हैं वो भी रिवर्ट थे, उन्होंने कन्वर्टेड थे वो भी। तो वो डॉक्टर बिलाल फिलिप्स चलाते हैं। उसका दिल्ली में उसका जो ऑनलाइन एग्ज़ाम ही होते हैं, ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज का ही है वो, इस्लामिक स्टडीज़, ऑनलाइन इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ का है वो कोर्स। दिल्ली में उसका सेंटर आईडीसी की बिल्डिंग है, वो आईडीसी की बिल्डिंग है। बस ये टाई अप है कि वो अपना लैपटॉप लेके आते हैं बच्चे जिनको पढ़ना है, हमारे पास उनका आईडी और पासवर्ड आ जाता है एग्जामिनेशन के लिए। वो हम उनको जो भी आता है उसको टिक करके दे देते हैं। हैदराबाद में इनका मेन सेंटर, तो दिल्ली का जो एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर
इनके साथ साइन
अब एग्जाम वो है एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर के लिए बस, ना क्लासेस भी नहीं होती हैं,
वो ऑनलाइन
अपने घर पे पढ़ते हैं। लेकिन जो होता है ना कैसे लॉगिन आईडी पासवर्ड, वो हमारे यहाँ आता है एग्जाम के लिए, तो वो हम उसको दे देते हैं।
असिस्टेंस करते हैं आप लोग?
4-5 लोग एक टाइम पे आके बैठ जाते हैं, अपने लैपटॉप पे एग्जाम दे के चले जाते हैं। 1-2 घंटे का होता है वो, लाइव उस पर चलता है।
आईडीसी में आप क्या है?
मैं तो मेंबर हूँ बस, ऐसे ही आना जाना विजिटर। मेंबर सारे जो आ रहा है वही मेंबर
जुड़े हुए हैं, बस ये है, वैसे कुछ नहीं है कुछ।
ऑफिशियली तो उमर साहब ही हैं, एक जो हैं
2 लोग ही हैं वो बस। अच्छा मुझे एक चीज़ और बताइएगा, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स एक बार मतलब डिस्कशन को चल रहा है तो पूछ रहा हूँ आपको, क्योंकि आईओसी की मैंने आपसे बात करी, आईडीसी और आईओसी का एमओयू है, क्योंकि कंट्रोवर्सी जिसमें बहुत है। तो बिलाल साहब जो हैं उनका लिंक बताते हैं जाकिर से।
उनका होगा क्योंकि वो देखो इसमें इस्लाम के कुछ सेक्ट्स होते हैं, अहले हदीस, सुन्नी, शिया, ये सब होते हैं जो आपने सुने होंगे। तो वो हैं अहले हदीस। डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक भी अहले हदीस स्कॉलर है। वो दरअसल वो तो कन्वर्टेड है डॉक्टर बिलाल फिलिप्स, क्रिश्चियनिटी से इस्लाम में आए थे, और डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक टीचर हैं। तो वो इंटरनेशनल के लेवल के हैं दोनों। उमर साहब तो बेचारे दोनों इंडिया में नहीं है, दोनों इंडिया में। तो वो नहीं, दरअसल इंडिया में ना भी हो तो अभी नहीं है ना इंडिया में, पिछले 3-4 साल से डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक।
उमर साहब की मुलाकात
दोनों से है।
अच्छा,
दोनों से है, पर वो ऐसे ही है। अब एक बात बताओ, ये एक टाइप का सर्वधर्म सम्मेलन आपने सुना होगा ना, एक वहाँ हुआ था कजाकिस्तान में। तो उसमें इंडिया की तरफ से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव उमर साहब गए थे। हालांकि एम्बेसी ने नहीं भेजा, मैं वैसे बता रहा हूँ। वहाँ पे लोग कांटेक्ट करते हैं कि इंडिया में कौन है जो सारे धर्मों को मिला के चलता है। जैसे पैगामे क्या तो पैगामे इंसानियत ऐसे कुछ वो चलता है वहाँ पे, लखनऊ से या कानपुर से। उसमें जैसे उमर साहब उनका नाम दे दिया उमर साहब उसका ना, कि भाई वो हैं, वो आपको सारे धर्मों के बारे में मतलब सब लेके चलते हैं, वही हमारे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इंडिया के वही सही रहेंगे आपको। तो अब वो चाहते तो डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक को बुलाते, उससे बढ़िया स्पीच कौन देगा, वो तो रेफरेंस के साथ बताएंगे वेदों का और सबका। लेकिन उन्होंने कहा भैया ये वो प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं, ये है पीसफुली अपनी बात रखने का। तो वो वहाँ उमर साहब गए। IAS से लिंक, IS जो है वो लिंक यही जोड़ा है। कजाकिस्तान उनकी विजिट थी, कजाकिस्तान को पाकिस्तान का हिस्सा बता रहे हैं।
कजाकिस्तान में तो
बताओ यार।
So what's the big takeaway from this sting operation that has been carried out by my colleague Anuj? One thing is for sure, that the link with fugitive Zakir Naik is quite well established by an insider who speaks to Anuj. We'll try and go across to Anuj for more details of the conversation that he's essentially had with one of the insiders. Anuj, take us through the big takeaways of this sting operation.
Well, Chavan, we need to understand the larger picture when we are talking about this conspiracy and when we are talking about this racket of conversion. This is Sufyan. The name of the person is Sufyan, whom we have stung, and we have seen it very much clearly how the dots has been connected. When we talk about the investigation as of till now, which has been done by Uttar Pradesh police or the ATS from Uttar Pradesh, then they are also claiming, like the police from Uttar Pradesh is also saying the same thing, that the dots are being connected and the connection is international connection, and that's something what we are showing at this point in time. Because when we spoke to Sufyan is making it very much clear that Umar Gautam, who at this point in time is already under the custody, is connected to Bilal Philip, who is running IOU, is directly connected with IDC, which is the organization of Umar Gautam in India. And apart from that, Sufyan is also making it very much clear that yes, Umar Gautam is connected to Zakir Naik also, and he is very much aware of both of them, whether being it Bilal Philip or whether being it Zakir Naik. So there the dots has been clearly connected, and that is something which has been stated very much clearly by Uttar Pradesh police also, that under the investigation they are also getting the ISI link, they are also getting the international link. So this is something which is making it very much clear how the dots has been connected. On the other hand, let me tell you that in the second part, now Sufyan is claiming that yes, Umar Gautam visited to Kazakhstan, and that particular visit has result, or rather being stated that for the ISI link, because we have to keep in mind when Uttar Pradesh police did the press conference, they made it very much clear that ISI link is also coming out. So if we talk about this racket, then we need to understand the larger picture. We need to understand the links which has been connected, because IDC is the organization of Umar Gautam which is operating in India. There Sufyan is making it very much clear that IDC is providing the papers to the converted people, and the documentation is being done by IDC. And IDC is a registered office of IOU, which is of Bilal Philip, who is in Qatar as per our sources as of till now. And let me also tell you, when we are talking about Bilal Philip, when we are talking about Zakir Naik, they both are banned in the country. They both are banned in India as well as other countries also. So this exactly is making it very much clear. When we are talking about this particular racket of conversion, then how this is being spread and how the links are there. If we are talking about Umar Gautam, now the Umar Gautam links between Bilal Philip and as well as Zakir Naik is out in open, because this has been something which has been stated very much clearly by none other but aide of Umar Gautam, that's Sufyan, whom we stung. So this is something what we are showing at this point in time when we are talking about the investigation till now which has been done by Uttar Pradesh police and the dots which has been connected by Uttar Pradesh police. Now this is making it more clear, and that's something what we are exposing at this point in time. And in this particular expose, we are showing that how the things are being connected and how this full racket is working. Although we have to see what exactly will be coming out when we are talking about the investigation, because at this point in time the investigation is on. When we are talking about Uttar Pradesh police and the ATS, the testimonies has been done, and after the testimony is recorded, now these are the link which is coming out, and Republic TV at this point in time is breaking the same, how the dots are connected and how Umar Gautam is connected to Bilal Philip as well as Zakir Naik. Yes, Shama.
Well, Anuj, a quick question before I let you go. With regards to the financial links that are essentially emerging, because the enforcement directorate has also stepped in at this stage trying to find out the financial link. Did he say anything with regards to how exactly they were receiving the donations?
Well, for that we had particular conversation that what exactly is the financial link. So this has been stated by Sufyan that if we talk about financial link, then we can produce the NRIs who have funded us, and they are very much on paper. We can go to court and we can produce these names in front of the court. Whereas regarding the finances, nothing has came out from Sufyan. But on the other hand, when we are talking about the finances and when we are talking about enforcement directorate angle, then this is to wait and watch what exactly will be revealed. But yes, finances is going to be the most important part, that who all were funding the same. Yes, Shravan.